Hey everyone, welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, we will learn how to join two hibiscus together. So please like this video if you end up enjoying it. Let us start the video. Point number 1. Selecting two best healthy hibiscus plant. Also remember the flower should be different because we are joining two hibiscus together. This is the best alternative method of grafting. In grafting we get success nearly 50%, but in this method we will get 100% result. Let us start with the process. For this we have to remove all the soil mix which was in poly bag. For that we have to keep our soil mix in water. If you don't understand my language or you don't get some words, just see what I am doing, do the same and you will get the same result. Keep your plant in water for nearly 5 to 10 minutes and you will see that soil will get loose enough, and now we can separate it from tool or we can just shake the plant and it will lose the soil. With this simple method we can remove soil easily and also plant will remain healthy. Now we are keeping our plant in fresh water so that the leftover part of soil can also be removed. I hope you are enjoying this video, so please hit like and do subscribe my channel so that we can stay connected. Cleaning of roots once or twice depend upon you. You can do once or you can do twice. I am doing it for twice so that I can get clean and fresh roots. Selection of flower and the color of flower depends upon you. I have selected a red one and an orange one. Both look great. Point number 2. After cleaning our plant, we are joining them together, and always keep in mind that use a decomposable item to tie up so that we don't have to remove them in future. For that we are using a jute rope which will decompose by time. If you are doing this process for the first time, do it nicely and tie them together very tightly so that they does not get loose. Best season for doing this whole process is rainy season, but we can also do this in summer season and also in winter season. See how your hibiscus plant will look like after you tie them together. Keep your hibiscus plant in water so that it does not feel dry. Let us prepare soil mix. For soil mix, we are using 40% normal garden topsoil, 30% vermicompost and 30% coco peat. Mix them well. In this soil mix, coco peat is playing very important role in maintaining moisture as roots require lots of moisture. Point number 3. Selection of pot. In this whole process we are selecting a pot size nearly 8 to 10 inches, and also remember to cover your drainage hole so that soil does not come out with the water flow. Now fill the pot with soil mix. Remember to keep our pot empty up to 5 to 6 inches because we are planting our hibiscus tree and they does not contain any soil. Keep your hibiscus cuttings in center and try to maintain the gap of nearly 5 to 6 inches, as this will help your plant to regenerate new roots and also help your plant to come out of stress. Firmly press your soil mix and try to adjust your plant. If needed, apply more soil and try to maintain your plant height. Try to do your whole process in shady area so that plant does not get enough sunlight and also don't feel dry out as we have removed all the soil. Fill your pot with extra soil mix and keep only half inches gap between the soil and pot. Point number 4, give water thoroughly to your hibiscus plant. As hibiscus roots are not established enough, so we have to frequently give water and try to maintain the moisture in soil mix so that our plant can healthy enough and also can absorb much part of the water and also can show us result. After few days, our red flower also got bloom. See how nicely they are looking. If you end up liking this video, please hit like and do subscribe my channel and also stay connected. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.